changing business needs have put the focus on digital transformation. Organizations are looking for the right solution and a reliable platform so that they can undertake their transformation journey in a low-risk, value-added manner. Highly customized legacy systems scattered across disparate landscapes make it difficult to navigate dynamic business realities and deliver an effective outcome. A flexible, scalable, intelligent, and future-ready cloud-based solution can help enterprises meet the changing paradigms and bring exponential value to their business and customers. It includes pre-built content on SAP S/4HANA integrations with other applications, analytics, and more. It helps organizations accelerate their digital transformation journeys, leading to superior business outcomes. It combines a comprehensive business reference suite and industry innovations, and it leverages SAP Digital Core and intelligent technologies to help customers implement new solutions as part of their digital transformation with AWS's robust cloud capabilities and platforms. Through pre-configured processes based on industry best practices, offers enterprises a competitive advantage, business agility, and enhanced user experiences with round-the-clock accessibility to intelligent features and automated processes, building a strong foundation for composable ERP solutions. With a ready digital core foundation to future-proof businesses, the AWS Cloud Platform ensures resilient and secure SAP workload enabled by AWS native services. Accelerated time to market, industry-leading results, and business continuity. Realize outcomes that matter most to your business